Category 9. Embedded Options and Hedging. Prior exams cover verbal GMMB versus GMIB plus Black-Scholes value, pure Black-Scholes hedge portfolios and management charges, variable annuity profit tests wrapping a GMMB, and GMMB plus accumulating GMDB together. Differences: static Black-Scholes price versus a delta hedge and rebalancing narrative. Guarantee-only valuation versus a profit test under a fund path. GMMB alone versus GMMB plus GMDB, survival versus death optionality. Attack checklist. Map the guarantee to a put or call on the fund and adjust the strike for management charges. Multiply by survival for GMMB or integrate death densities for GMDB. Build the hedge as bond minus delta stock and roll if asked. If profit testing, project the fund, apply guarantee top-ups, then NPV with and without the hedge. Grounded variance. GMDB delta hedge with a mid-contract index reset. Excel variable annuity path plus Black-Scholes hedge cost as question 1, or a stress profit test comparing unhedged and hedged NPV under a down path. Climb the 6 embedded option priors after this final strategy video. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.